The remainder of Part Third is deeply interesting. The teaching, death, and resurrection of Jesus. Truly, never man spake like this man. He yet speaks to us all. Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Yea, and the hour is coming when all shall be privileged to hear his blessed message. All the blind eyes shall be opened, and all the mentally deaf ears shall be unstopped. Where your peace is, show it to your friends. Tell them what it means. Invite them to see this drama. All are welcome. Asked why we do not lift collections, we reply, the gospel is free. Nowhere in the Bible are we authorized to solicit money in God's name. Freely we have received, freely we give to others.